this land. It is said that the Raven God is the bridge between earth and sky. The volcano spirit awakens in response to the anger of the Earth Mother, with magma erupting and flames consuming homes. Witnessing all this, the Raven God speaks with the volcano spirit, calming its fury. The volcano thus transforms from a mere symbol of destruction into a representation of rebirth, embodying the strength and vitality of this land. Here in Kamchatka.
And I just wanna go somewhere where I could just stay inside, where I could just lose my mind, where I could just go unwind. A scotch on the rocks, it slows my thoughts and slows down time. I think I'll be just fine. It's broken by design, yeah. I'm feeling lost, not found. I fell in love with sound, and I don't really think that counts. I'm married to the beat right now. I'm feeling lost, not found. I'm drowning in the bass right now. I listen like a drug I found, addicted to the plug right now. And I hate the time just keeps on moving. I don't get why it feels like it's looping. I wish that I knew what I was doing, and I hope that I keep my mind so loose. And now I lay awake. Sometimes I never feel like I could take a break. I don't know why this world just wants to make me wait. I don't know why this world.
There are many legends about Kamchatka. The young people sit around the campfire, listening to the elder recount stories of the volcanoes. They yearn to explore more legends and secrets in this mysterious land.
I'm drowning in the bass right now.